Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make this pencil box. This I made as a gift to my son, so it can open in both ways, here or there, and let's keep something in it and we can close. So let's get started. For this, to make this, we need a sheet like this of 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So when I have this, just fold from corner to corner like this. Then open it and from another corner to the other corner, from corner to corner. Let's fold it like this. Open it, then fold from side to side, from one side to the other. Then again open, and then from one side to the other side again. From all four corners and from four sides, you just need to fold. After this, when we have this sheet now, just fold it like this. From here also the same thing, and from the last one also just do like this. It's all done, just press it and then open and take any one corner and just fold it till here. It's done. Switch to the other side, the opposite side of this, and take this point, just fold it till here. So now I have folded lines all here, 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 as you can see. So take this only, and now I have this point, so just fold it till here like this, and switch to the other side, the opposite side of it, and fold till here. Just take with your hands and just fold it till here. Now this line and this line, just fold first one by one. First this, and then you can do next line like this and press it all together at once. So now when I have this, you can do like this. Fold this line again properly like this. And the same thing, just switch here and this line, fold it again like this. Open it, and then our main lines which needs to stand should be like this one, this and this. Now we just need to fold it in. This part has to come like this. So just taking from here put this inside. It should come like this nicely, and from the other part also you can just leave it. When it's done, from the other part also it should come like this. When all folds are proper, it will sure come like this. And now when it's done, slowly calmly just do like this to make a fold inside it. And now go to the next side, the opposite side of it, and here also we need to do the same thing. Like when I'm doing this, it's already making this line because I have folded it properly, that's why. So just do it like this and will automatically come. Just leave it now. When it's done, you can just leave it, go to the next, and now when I'm doing this, it's automatically coming. So just do it like this from here and here, hold it like this and move it inside. So now it's done. And for the, when I'm not gluing it, it's coming like this. So if you want, you can put glue as well. You can glue when you open it. You can put a slight glue for the proper finishing. Otherwise you can do like this also if you want, but if you want the proper finishing to be made, then just glue this corner points, not the whole thing. You can just glue these ones and this one, the side parts, the side corners of this, and you can just put it inside. Yeah, now it's okay. And switch to the next opposite side. You can do the same thing here. Just open it again, and only here and here just put some glue. A little bit glue is fine. Just put some glue and press it. Here also just hold it nicely and put it inside. So it's done. So let's make cover for this one now. So I'm taking a green sheet for this, and the size of this is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters is this one, is this side, because 15 centimeters, because this one is 15 centimeters, that's why this side is 15, so this is 15. So to make its cover, just put on any one side that you want, just put it like this on the edge of it and make a line, and then to the side of it make it again, then open it, then this, and a little bit more because you have to fold it, tape it, oh done, glue it. So little bit more, that much we want. So we can dark it, because I have made light lines because I was using this, that's why. Now I can dark with my pencil, I can darken these lines. And one is left, so just with your pencil just do like this, and now we have to make folds of it. Just take a ruler and you can do like this. Here also do like this. On all the darkened lines, to make it cover, we have to do like this only. Now we can use our hands only and make a fold, a proper one now. The last one I can make from here. Yeah, now it's proper. And I will cut this extra space because I don't want this. So just put it here. We'll go from here, here, and put glue. Just put glue on the extra line that I have made. And it will go in. Like this. Just paste it. Just press it nicely, and we can do this also. And we can press our sides like this also. And now it's ready. Just put it inside it, and it's ready. And you can gift it as you want, or you can keep it for yourself and put your small stuff or any kind of thing, or for the kids they can put their pencils or anything they want to. And you can personalize this also by writing your name or anything that you wish. Yeah, by making any drawing or any cartoon or any pattern of your choice. Yeah. So I can write today. I can gift it as to anyone, and I can just write all the best, just like that. And make heart shape or anything. So it's ready. Let's open it again and I will just put it inside it. Now it's ready. So here is this one. Both are ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.